Extra video marketing tips and tricks for 2023. It's essential to keep up with the latest trends and best practices to ensure that your video marketing game is on point. It's time to explore 9 extra tips and tricks to help you make the most of your video marketing efforts this year. Embrace vertical videos. With the widespread use of smartphones and social media platforms like TikTok and Instagram, vertical videos are gaining traction. Embracing this format will enable you to reach a broader audience and create a more immersive experience for your viewers. Leverage user-generated content. User-generated content, UGC, is a powerful way to build trust and credibility with your audience. Encourage your followers to create videos featuring your products or services, and share their content on your social media channels. This not only increases engagement but also humanizes your brand and strengthens your connection with your audience. Tell stories with a twist. The power of storytelling in marketing cannot be underestimated. Surprising your audience with a clever or unexpected ending will make your videos more memorable, helping you stand out. Use humor, emotion, or a thought-provoking message to leave a lasting impression. Experiment with video podcasts. Video podcasts are a fantastic way to showcase your expertise, engage with your audience, and provide valuable information. Get creative with your topics, and don't forget to encourage viewer interaction through comments and social media. Optimize for voice search. Increasing popularity of voice assistants like Alexa and Google Assistant, optimizing your video content for voice search is more critical than ever. Ensure video titles and descriptions include relevant keywords and phrases that users might speak about when searching for content like yours. Go live and interact with your audience. Live streaming is a fantastic way to engage with your audience in real time. Platforms like Instagram Live, Facebook Live, and YouTube Live make it easier than ever to broadcast your content and interact with your viewers. Use live streaming to host Q&A sessions, showcase new products, or offer exclusive behind-the-scenes content. The possibilities are endless. Harness the power of AR and VR. Augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality, VR, are making their way into the realm of video marketing. Experiment with AR and VR to create interactive product demonstrations and virtual tours that will capture your audience's attention. Keep it short and sweet. Focus on creating short-form content that can be easily consumed on the go. Aim for videos that are under 2 minutes in length and deliver a clear, concise message. Utilize video SEO best practices. Optimizing your video content for search engines is crucial for increasing visibility and driving traffic to your website or social media channels. To do this, pay close attention to your video titles, descriptions, and tags, including relevant keywords that accurately describe your content.